Welcome to IM-120 Microsoft Excel. My name is David Hensley and I'll be your professor for this semester. This will be a brief overview of the course. First, we have the announcements content area. Each week I will be posting an announcement. Please make sure you review this information. Next, we have the Start Here area. Take your time and review each step before moving forward with the course, especially when it comes to the MindTap and SAM tutorial videos. Next, we have the professor information. Please feel free to reach out to me at any time. I'm here to assist you. I realize this is an online class, but that doesn't mean that you don't have an instructor. You absolutely have me. You can call me, you can email me, you can set up an office appointment, if you need any kind of additional support. I'm here to ensure that this is a successful semester for you. Next, we have the syllabus and schedule. Then again, please make sure that you're reviewing this information so that you know the clear expectations of the class and the assignments and due dates for each one. Next, we have weekly modules. Each week, you will see a module posted for that particular week. Obviously, this one is week 1, module 1, getting started with Excel. The modules will all have the same format. It will start with the learning outcomes, then the assignment summary, course content, and then the assignments you should be working on, such as the first one is the SAM textbook project, getting started with Excel. If you click the SAM textbook link, you will see there's 3 steps to this assignment. Number 1, you're going to want to review the SAM projects and textbook projects tutorial video. Number 2, you have to actually download your starting file before attempting the assignment. If you open up a brand new Excel document, SAM will not accept it when you're trying to submit your assignment at the end. So make sure step 2 that you download the starting file. Then you move on to step 3 to complete the Excel module 1, getting started with Excel. Next, we have the module 1 SAM training assignment. Then again, make sure you're following the steps. Step 1 is to review the SAM training video to ensure that you know how to complete a training exercise. And then obviously, step 2 is to click on the module 1 SAM training to complete the assignment. Next, we have the module 1 SAM end of the module project 1. Make sure you're following the steps again. Step 1 will be reviewing the tutorial video of how to complete a SAM project. And then step 2, you'll be clicking on a link to access the project and submit your final outcome. Next, we have the module 1 SAM exam. As always, follow the steps. Step 1 will be to review the video on how to complete the SAM exam. Step 2, obviously, you're going to be clicking on the link to access the exam itself. Keep in mind, you want to complete each task. You have up to 5 attempts per task, and you have 60 minutes to complete the quiz. The quiz can be retaken up to 3 times, with the highest score being used as your final grade. So please take advantage of that. If you miss a task, that means you have 4 more attempts to complete the task as required. But also realize you only have 60 minutes to complete the quiz, but you can retake it up to 3 times. Last but not least is the Module 1 SAM exam. It's questions. Obviously, it's Q&A. Should be any problems here. If you have any issues, please let me know. Okay, next I want to point out a couple quick links that I have on the content area on the left-hand side. The first one is assignments. The assignments are just what I just reviewed. But say you don't want to have to go through the weekly module again, since you already did. You reviewed the PowerPoint presentation, you know the assignments you should be working on. And if you just want a quick link to the assignments, you can just simply click on the assignments link. Same way with the tests and quizzes link. So it's just a quick link. With that said, though, you definitely still want to take your time to go through the weekly module at least once at the beginning of each week. Next, we have the PowerPoint presentation content area, which all the PowerPoint presentations will be posted within here. We have the discussion board link. During the first week, you'll be posting your introduction. And next we have the student resources link. Here we have a lot of great resources that Cincinnati State offers. Please make sure you take advantage of them if you need to. Obviously, I'm a resource too if you need any assistance throughout the semester. The last one I want to talk about is my grades. I probably get the most questions about the grade book because you're going to see two columns, a current average and final average. Current average only displays your current average, which means if you complete 2 assignments, you received 100. Your current average is 100. But then you may look at your final average and say it might say 1. And you say, well, does that mean I'm failing the class? And I would say no. Keep in mind the current average only includes the graded assignments. The final average includes all assignments. So clearly, if you only completed 2 out of 25, the average wouldn't be the same. So your current average could be 100, but the final average still can be 1. With that said, your final average continues to rise throughout the semester. But if you have any questions about your current or final average at any time, reach out to me. This concludes the video. I hope everyone has a great semester.